Okay, people, welcome to my new leadsleap review. I want to thank you guys so much for either being an individual who are looking to get more information about leadsleap and or a person that's on my list. I'll consider this a free gift. And so let's get right into the video, guys, okay? Let's start by saying, guys, when you can generate leads and you can create an email subscribers list of your own, you can create a skill set and a gift or a gift that can keep on giving in terms of being able to earn extra income or whatever you want to do online. Okay, so I've revamped all of my funnels. Got some the brand new funnels now, guys. I'm reshooting all of the information in terms of the library and the share codes. Everything is being redone. I'm updating everything, and so this new Leads Deep Capture Page Club is part of every single new funnel that I'm creating. And the reason why is I want you guys to understand that when you can create a list of your own, right? You can build a list for whatever you want to build a list for. And so I want to give you the necessary tools, the thing that you're going to need to be able to go out and do it. And it doesn't matter what it is you want to promote. So one of the pages that you're going to receive inside of the new Leads Deep Capture Page Club is this page. And this page is great for building your own email subscribers list. Now, inside of the library, guys, I got, oh, wow. I don't know how many lead capture pages I have, but it's enough to get you started. And it's enough to you're going to have some lead capture diversification. Now, inside of LeadsLeap, you also have the ability to go in and create your own lead capture pages, your own sales systems, sales pages, funnels, all of which I'm going to cover inside of this free training, right? So in this particular example, we're not even asking, what we're asking people to do is they can come inside and they can pick up this free new leads capture page club. They can pick up all of the over the shoulder training. They can even use this to continue to build their own list, and with all of the lead capture diversification that we have built inside of these funnels and inside of these leads capture pages and the sales pages, the funnels, the bridge pages, the thank you pages, it's enough to get anybody started. So it doesn't really matter what it is you want to market and promote, or if you don't have anything to market and promote at all. You actually can start your lead generation venture, right? Your list building venture. You can start it with LeadsLeap, okay? LeadsLeap and the HBA Funnel Builder are the only two lead capture pages and funnel builders that I have, and they are enough, okay? Between the two of them, guys, I can create anything that I want to create, and you'll be able to create anything you want to create, right? So we're going to be talking about how to use LeadsLeap, okay? We're going to be talking about how to generate leads with LeadsLeap, and we're going to be talking about how to build your own email subscribers list with LeadsLeap for whatever you want, starting with the LeadsLeap membership, the platform, the free LeadsLeap page and funnel builder. Okay, so once you're inside of this library, you're going to see all the different types of pages that are going to be, you guys will have instant access to. You're going to get the over-the-shoulder training, right, on how to import these pages into your Leadsleap membership. I like to affectionately refer to it as using the 7-second share code technology, because it actually takes about 7 seconds to import these lead capture pages into your lead membership. And remember, that's going to be above and beyond all of the different lead capture pages that you already have instant access to as a member of LeadsLeap, okay? And then, guys, what we're going to be doing inside of these pages is we're going to be making sure that we're always utilizing that thing, what I like to refer to as a value ladder. Because one of the best ways to be able to generate more leads is by adding lots of value for and to your potential prospects. And we kick that off by creating the pages and offering our potential prospects a reason, right? We want to give them an incentive to give us their name and their email address right down here, right? Or the email address, whatever we want, whatever we're asking for. and we're throwing in those bonuses for even more incentive. And in this particular scenario, guys, we're talking about the actual start page login Rolodex, which you can find inside of all of my funnels as well. Now, the start page login Rolodex is going to fall under the advertising inside of your training, okay? And because what you're going to want to do once you have these lead capture pages all set up is you're going to want to go out and start generating some type of traffic, okay? And traffic simply translates into people, potential prospects that can come into your leads, your funnels, your lead generating funnels, and join your team, join your particular primary biz op, your MLM, your network marketing deal, whatever it is. And by the way, and I didn't mention the fact that we're going to show you how to set up your first list inside of LeadsLeap as well. So put your wallets away, okay? This is absolutely free for anybody who sets up a free LeadsLeap account. And then once inside, guys, you get to chart your own destiny. You get to set the stage, right? And create that skill set that can pay you for the rest of your life by building your own email subscribers list. And then remember, all of these bonuses are thrown in. That login start page starter ads Rolodex is just one of them. I make sure, or one of the things that I want to make sure that you guys actually literally really have are real resources that you can use to start building your business. Okay? And you'll find that inside. You just follow through the over-the-shoulder training. Get in a place and in a space where if you don't know how to do this, but if you're ready, you're willing, you're capable, and you're able of possibly learning some things you never knew, and this example, a skill set that can pay you for the rest of your life by building your own email subscribers list, then don't hesitate to either, if you're finding me for the first time, give me your name and or email address, and let's get you guys started. Thanks so much for sitting on the video, guys, and I'll see you inside the new LeadsLeap Capture Page Club.